Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Photo Studio preset using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.98. Contrast to minus 54. Highlights to minus 57. Shadows to plus 43. Whites to plus 52. Blacks to plus 62. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the Color panel. Temp to plus 10. Tint to plus 12. Vibrance to minus 18. Saturation to minus 9. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red. Hue to plus 6. Saturation to minus 35. Luminance to minus 17. Next go to Orange. Hue to plus 1. Saturation to minus 55. -22. Go to yellow. Hue to +89. Saturation to -74. Luminance to -4. Go to green. Hue to +28. Saturation to -63. Luminance to +46. Next go to light blue. Hue to +19. Saturation to -52. Go to dark blue. Hue to +18. Saturation to -52. Luminance to -14. Go to purple. Hue to +25. Saturation to -30. Go to pink. Hue to +25. Saturation to -33. And done. Next go to Effect panel. Texture to -2. Clarity to -7. Go to Split Toning. Highlights, H2, 242, and S2, 13. Shadows, H2, 40, and S2, 20. Balance to -23. Done. Next go to Detail panel. Sharpening to 60. Noise reduction to 13. Color noise reduction to 25. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.